What's up guys, Ethan Lee here with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks Jason Whittle All-Pro Team. I want to start off by saying Happy New Year. It is going to be a great 2022, and I wanted to start off by sharing with you this beautifully restored 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. It has a 2-car garage, over 1,700 square foot on a gentle lot in 4 seasons, and it's in 6 Mile Cove. Let's go check out 1125 Anemone Road. Once you enter into the home, you're going to notice the great natural light in the house. Also, the beautifully new shiplapped vaulted ceilings, along with the black accent fireplace wall with custom mantel. The home has all new flooring throughout the entire house and all new black 3-panel doors. Then moving into the kitchen, we have great hard surface countertops with custom cabinets and all stainless steel appliances. Here we have the heated and cooled 4 Seasons room right off the living room. You can open up all the windows and enjoy the great breeze, or you can step off into the open deck that's freshly stained and has all brand new black aluminum handrails. Or you can walk down to the lake frontage. You'll notice the 20 by 20 martini deck right in 6 Mile Cove. Thanks for coming and taking a look at this house today. If you want some more information, please call us at the Jason Whittle All-Pro Team at 800-836-2005, and we'd love to take care of you. Have a fantastic new year. See ya.